How can I use a QR code scanner on my Android device?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of QR codes and how you can scan them using your Android device. This process is really simple, and in no time at all, you'll be unlocking digital content from physical objects. Let's get started.
What is a QR code?
A QR code, or quick response code, is a type of barcode that can be scanned using a smartphone. These codes store URLs, text, contact details, or even Wi-Fi credentials, and can be found everywhere, from product packaging to advertisements.
Does your Android phone have a built-in QR code scanner?
Most modern Android phones come equipped with a built-in QR code scanner. You usually find this in your camera app. To check, simply open your camera app, point it at a QR code, and see if a link or prompt appears on your screen. If it does, congratulations. You can scan QR codes without needing any extra apps.
What if your Android phone doesn't have a built-in scanner?
If your Android device does not have a built-in QR code scanner, don't worry. You can easily download a QR code scanning app from the Google Play Store. There are many free options available, including Barcode Scanner, QR and Barcode Reader, and QR Code Reader and Scanner. Once you've chosen an app, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Google Play Store and type the name of the app in the search bar. 2. Install the app by pressing the Install button. 3. Once the app is installed, open it and grant it the necessary permissions. This usually includes access to your camera, which is needed to scan the QR codes.
How to scan a QR code?
After confirming your built-in scanner or installing an app, it's time to scan a QR code. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open your camera app or your QR scanning app. 2. Point your camera at the QR code. Make sure the code is centered in your viewfinder and the camera is not too close or too far away. 3. Your phone will automatically scan the code and show a notification with the content of the QR code. 4. Tap on the notification to open the link, text, or other content stored in the QR code. And there you have it. You're now a pro at scanning QR codes with your Android device. This skill will certainly come in handy in our increasingly digital world. Happy scanning, everyone!